Well, I'm up early. Good morning, everybody. Good morning to each and every one of you. And I'm going to have to go over here and log in. Give me a second here. Into YouTube. Make sure we're up and running properly. I hope everybody's doing well today. There we go. Got our stream running. And we're going to skip this. All right, what's everybody got going on here? A lot of talk this morning. And we got a new Big Bottom Cat member. All right. Mrs. SoFi, welcome to the Big Bottom Cat category. Welcome. Thank you for joining as a new Cat Tank member. Our Street Sucks out of London, England. Good morning to you. What are we looking to trade today? High roller up 30s and back down to 25. I want to stay away from that stock here for a while. Let's let the dust settle on that thing, okay? EVTV is just barcoding with little spikes every now and then. Thank you for letting me know. I like the thumbnail, Cat. Good morning, folks. All right, thank you. Good morning, T. Good. Welcome. Our Street Sucks. Good morning. How is it? Our Streets, SIDU, 450 today. I've got my sell orders all the way up to 443 and 444 right now. And as a matter of fact, I've already sold some this morning. I've sold, you close this out here. This morning I've sold at 412, 413, 419, 420, 422, and 430. And it's dropped back down to 418 this now. And right now, for those of you that might be new to this channel, I'll show you right now. I'm not killing it today yet, but I'm up this morning $269.44. Can't complain. And like I said, the one thing I forgot, well, I didn't say it, but one thing I forgot to bring with me was my phone stand, a little phone that I usually put it into. And well, so be it. Right now, I've got $1,500 in cash now to invest with after the sales I've made this morning. And let's get over here and see what else everybody has to say. Yep, CDU 450, if we mirror. Yep, I'm good, buddy. Yep, looking to trade CDU today, waiting to see how far the smash down before the open. Or how high the run up before the open. And then how far they drop it. Maybe see low threes again today at some point. Ugh. I don't think so with them getting the interviews that they had or whatever, the news yesterday that was on Fox. I did not see the story that was released by Fox. I don't know if there's a link to it on YouTube. Maybe one of you guys can find. But there's apparently a breaking story on Fox yesterday. I think they went over it 3 different times yesterday. Yep. So let's see here. Only got a few shares to trade today. Closed my XTB account, as every time I bought in, I was 1% down straight away, and something just didn't add up. Small trades were netting me. Wow. Not good. Not good. All right. Couple of days as we'll have my dollar ready. LOL. Till then, just getting practice in what I can use. I got you. How's your trades looking? I doubled my small account and then lost half my profits. Being a bit greedy, I think. Should have called it a day. Yeah, sometimes, when you get greedy, you become needy. That's what I say. I've gained about 10% on it. I usually buy in too early, second or third trade of the day and left bag holding lunchtime lows. Well, why don't you just buy lunchtime lows every day? That would be what I would suggest. That's what my son does. His method is buying the lunchtime low every day. Yeah. Yep, done that a few times now. Learned to just take it out on one of the highs at the point that you just build back the loss or as much as you can. Yep. Good morning, everybody. Hello, Mrs. SoFi, and welcome to your new tank membership. Morning. Our street sucks. Good morning. I turned green. All right, good. Are you a BIG bottom member? A big bottom member? Yes, she is now. Yep. Morning, Mrs. Law. Exact. Our street's too good. Welcome. Oh, nice. Yep. Hope everyone has a green day today. Still newbie, but learning fast from our Mr. Catfish. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm a big bottom cat now. Yes. Very nice. Already making a bit with Sea-Doo. Yes. Thank you. LOL. Up nicely this morning. Yes. Yes. Yes, indeed. Sea-Doo is on the run. It is. LOL. Morning, Rover. I'm waiting for a pullback to buy in. There you go. I have buy orders in lower and mid threes. Gotcha. BBAI will run today. Okay, thank you, Roman Percussion. BBAI might be one to day trade today. Now, listen, guys, I want you all to know that today I am not going to be streaming while I'm driving to Orlando, okay? I tried that yesterday, and I was not able to find a Wi-Fi hotbox yesterday, and so I'm going to not stream today, okay? This will be a day off for me. I don't get many, so sorry about that. I'm here right now I'm here in Smyrna, Tennessee, and it started snowing last night. Yep, little flurries. Yep, shot up this morning, but it's done that a few times and dropped right after I buy in. Wow. All right. Holy moly, 423, up way more than I thought. LOL. Yeah. Oh, it hit 430 this morning, and I sold there. Just so you know, I sold at 430 this morning. Not at the time 430 this morning, but the price 430 this morning. Trade order status. You'll see right here.
I'm like, he was up at 4:30?
And I sold these numbers. On my buy sell sheet, 412, 413, sold, filled, 412, 413, 419, 420, 422, and 430, folks. I sold this morning already. So made some good decisions there. Made some good selling decisions there. And now she's back down to 420. But folks, some of you were buying this yesterday at 320 a share, right? Right? 322, 324. So an awesome gain. All right. And I still have some sell orders at 437, 440, 443, 444. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. Yep. Glad to see you. Cindy, good morning. Welcome to the tank. Thank you. Yep, Mrs. Law, thank you. Had so much fun making money the last couple of days. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's right. Morning, Cat. Can you look at BBAI? I sure will. Hope Mrs. Cat is well rested, Cindy says. You well rested, honey?
Had to stay up too much long with our son last.
Man, we stayed up last night and got to meet all of our son's working partners who work with him. There's like 8 or 10 of them that we sat in the lobby last night and just had a blast and stayed up way too late.
How late did we stay up?
We were up till 11ish, and we should have got to sleep earlier because we got a long drive again today. 9 hours and 20-minute drive today. So morning, Modiv, please welcome. Yes, and we're going to look at BBAI. So let me get my Thinkorswim going here. Well, I've got it going. BBAI, enter. And this is what BBAI is looking like this morning, everyone. There it is, BBAI. A lot of ups and downsies and a pair of, you know what those are? You know what those are right there? Huh. But let's look at this on a longer scale. Let's look at it in 20-day. Looks good. Buy it every time it hits that 200 or below it. Look at this, folks. There's a pattern here. See the green 200 day? You want to buy it that far below. See the green 200? Look how far. Exactly the same amount. Wait for a pullback now. I would not be buying this now. I wouldn't buy it. I hear someone's alarm going off.
That paper went thin as well there. It was hearing something.
No, it's your phone.
Oh, it's fine?
I would have never heard that alarm you said.
Oh, I would have if I would have been late there.
Why is it so quiet? Quiet.
I don't know. Where is it?
No, I just shut it off.
Maybe because of the volume down, maybe?
Do not get into BBAI right now. I do not like it. I want to see it pull back. All right. I want to see a pullback. You can see they've been manipulating that thing down. Someone's fleecing it out good every once in a while. Modeve says, hold on a second. Morning, Cat. GM, would you look? Would you buy CDO at this price? No, I would not. Nope. Don't buy SIDU here. Nope. This is a sell place. We're selling through here, not buying. Please do not buy SIDU right now. Please hold off. Wait until the morning bell rings and see how low they take it. I would put some orders in right now at 377. Buy orders at 382, 383. Buy orders at 386, 87, 88. Buy orders at 392, 93. Definitely. Put some buy orders in 397. Small orders at 397, 98, 99. And even $4. You might put some small orders there, okay? But don't buy it now. Got some at 399. Sold earlier for 429. Yep, the highest I sold was my buy sell sheet number 430. Ahoo, Catfish, good morning. Good morning, Tanksters. Thank you. Weavesters, nice to see you. Getting better, LOL. I know, Cincy, today I will. Okay, I missed something here. Oh, CDU's got options now, okay? SIDU has options now. We lit, he says. Yep, I got you. Yep. Let's see here. Midwest Cannabis, hello there. Welcome to the channel. Seen you here before for sure. Not the first time, but we're glad you're back. Joshua Gandia says, Riley, R-I-L-Y. All right. Well, I'm trying to get caught up with all this chat, and it looks like I am almost there. Dennis E. Diaz, welcome and good morning. Buenos dias, mi amigo. That's one of the long-term stocks, yes. Do you see what's happening in Michigan? Ben, the video? Yes, it's 14 below zero.
Yeah.
I think it was 11.
11 below, but it's 11 degrees at our house this morning, so a positive 11.
Oh, 11 degrees, 11 degrees, yeah. Thank you. So do at 405 in pre-market. Yep. Well, I sold it at 430, just so you know, Ben. Sold it at 430. Not the time 430. I sold it for the price, $4.30. I sold it 413, 419, 420, 422, 430, and that was where it stopped. Might go to 5 is what we were thinking. Yes, I agree. Now wait, I done it. No way, I done it at 188. Sweet, yeah, buddy, but been a while. Yep, it has been a while, Midwest. Yep, BEEM did not do well yesterday. I told people, don't get into that yet. We'll wait for a pullback tomorrow. Don't buy BEEM. I told people that. Good morning. What are we buying? We're looking for a pullback on SIDU. I just sold it at $4.30 up to $4.30. I sold a lot more orders. I sold at these numbers right here is what I've sold, 50 shares at each amount. I've sold at these numbers this morning. Folks, I'm sorry I don't have my phone stand, okay? I forgot my phone stand, so I'm going to be a little shaky here today, but I sold at these numbers that you see right here. I filled right there 50 shares at a time at 412, 413, 419, 422, 420, and 430. Waiting at 431, 433, 432, 437, 444. And I'm also going to put in a sell order now at 438. So sell 50 shares, limit order 438. There you go. Review order and place it. Oh, I got to take off day and make sure I do good till cancel plus extended. Review order and place it. Place. All right. Now we want to continue. I've got an order in at 444 to sell 444 for sure. But I'm also going to put in a sell order at, so we're going to come up here, new order. Good morning. Wow, 91 people here this morning. Nice. Yep, 420 right now. I see it. Yep. And I'm going to sell some SIDU right here. I'm going to try it again. Select action, sell. And I'm going to be doing 50 shares. Limit order, 443. 443. Good till cancel plus extended hours. Folks, in 1 minute, we might see this thing spike all the way up to 466. So I don't know what's going to happen here at 8 o'clock. Well, not 1 minute, 9 minutes away. 9 minutes, this thing could get really herky-jerked around. So put some high orders to sell here. 448, 49, 450. I'm telling you, folks, put them in. 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400. All right. Now I'm going to put in another order to sell here. And we're going to go CDO. And we're going to put in a 50 share order. Limit type. Good till cancel plus extended. And I'm going to try to get out here at a price of $4.48. 4.48. Well, let's just go 449. Good till cancel plus extended. Select action, sell. And reviewer. And place it. All right, and we're 8 minutes away. And welcome, everyone. 104 people here this morning. Wow. Good morning, good morning. I used to have 10 at this time.
Oh.
All right, so now we're going to go up here and do a new order again. SIDU, sell, 50 shares, limit, 450. Good till cancel plus extended. Review order and place it. And now I want to sell a new order. SIDU, sell, 50 shares, limit, 454. Good till cancel plus extended. Review order and place it. And now we're going to try to sell 455. Folks, they'll stop this at 455. They'll stop it. If it even gets that high. They'll stop it there. Not to say that it won't go over that today, but when they stop it at 455, they'll bring it down to 433, 438. Then it will go on another leg up. But they're going to stop it at 450, possibly, and 455. And at the very least, 466, it will stop. And it will come down to 449 from 466 or so. But here in 6 minutes, folks, we can see some very radical price changes. So I'm putting in these orders right now. Okay? I'm putting them in now for very high numbers, 466 even. So you guys can follow suit with what I'm doing if you want to. I'm going to go out 50 shares here, limit order. And I'm going to put price, select action, sell. 455. Good till cancel plus extended. Review order and place it. All right, let me cancel this. And we are now almost 7:56. Will you guys please do me? No, I'm not putting any at 5 yet. It won't go up to 5 immediately. I don't believe that. It could, but I'm not doing that. I think it's going to go up to these numbers and pull back. Tyler, how is Sweetie Petey? She's doing fine. She's very good. She's here with me, and she's getting all dolled up in the bathroom right now.
Dolled up.
So let me get up here. Okay, been to me anyway. Let's see. Sweet, you buddy, been a while. Yep. Good morning. What are you buying? Good morning, Tyler. Thank you very much. Thank you for asking. Cami Studio, welcome. Dennis Diaz. Good morning, Tyler. What do you think of AAPL? I got into AAPU. Green 1.67, but I think it'll continue to rise. I'll have to take a look at it. Let me just get everybody addressed here first. Florida Light Fishing, going to be down there with you pretty soon. Howdy, Miss Cat, welcome. BFLY and KULR. Yep, KULR is a stock I've been talking about a long time. How many hours left on your trip? 9 hours, 20 minutes. Good morning, Richie. Good morning, Richie, 644. Cheryl, good morning. What I want to do here right now, folks, I want to start a poll. I want to know, did you buy ROLR yesterday? Did you buy and sell ROLR yesterday? That's what I want to know. And I'm going to start a poll right now. I want to know, did you happen to get in and out of ROLR yesterday? That's what I want to know. Did you do it? Oh, I told people very early, don't do it. But then when it got down to 414, I said, folks, if you want to get in on something, if you want to try this, here I would buy some at 414. That's what I said. I would not buy a lot. I said I would not buy a lot. And I didn't even start a dang poll. I just asked a question in the chat. Jeez, oh Pete. Let me do that over again. You buy and sell ROLR yesterday? Question mark. Here we go. Start poll. And now we're actually doing a poll. And I want to know if anybody bought some ROLR yesterday. ROLR. Okay. Weird. For some reason, the heck is going on here? Listen, thanks for pointing out, Richie, BONK up 60%, but we wouldn't buy that. We wait till the morning and buy that on a fleece out tomorrow. We don't buy stocks up 60%. That's danger, 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 danger. What think about stock feed? Nope, I don't look up anything that I don't have a symbol for. Give me the 4-letter symbol or 3-letter symbol, I'll look it up. But I do not have time to look up stocks when you say stock feed. You put out a symbol and I'll look at it. We want Getter in ROLR at 12 something. All right. Someone's calling out CADL this morning, Laird 340. I bought ROLR and made out good. Got back in this morning, 18.98. All right, USA. I did one share at 15 and sold at 17, as Kat said not to do it. Then it shot to 30 and back down to 20s now. Glad I didn't buy big. Oh, I'm telling you. Wait to go. Cheryl, hold on here. Hold on. You guys, hold on. I got to get up here and see what happened here. Let's go up here. Got a lot of people all over the world watching this morning. I'm trying to find out. Man, everybody's commenting so fast, I can't keep up with this. Wow. Okay, here we go. How many hours left on your trip? I already answered that. Let's see. Hello, everybody. Would you buy EVTV? Not much. I wouldn't buy much of it. You might want to nibble at it. Yep. Think my friends north of Detroit goes 6+ inches. Wow. Snow, 6+ inches. How is Florida treating you, Tyler? We're not in Florida yet. We're in Tennessee right now. We stopped here to spend the night in a hotel and get some rest. And we were with our son. And we spent last night with our son. He took us out to dinner, treated us like royalty, and we had a good time. But, all right. Yep. Snow. That's right. Ebom Bach, thanks for letting me know. Thoughts on IREN? You know, one thing I don't have a pen, so I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm not well prepared on this trip here for this. CDU at 420 right now, but not wait till 10. Can you please explain why you buy, sell various securities in small chunks? Yes, that way I don't expose myself too much. I don't get overexposed. I keep my powder dry, folks. I keep most of my powder dry. I buy small increments as it rises, and when it gets to the numbers I have on my buy sell sheet, I sell hundreds at a time, 50 to 100 at a time. But when I buy, I'm buying small increments as it slowly rises. If the price of a stock has great news and it's going up, 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 it pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back, goes up, retraces, go up, retrace. I stay underneath it and I catch every little pullback as it goes up and comes, boom, I got those. Up, boom, I got those. Up, boom, I got those. Because I put my orders in, buy orders below the price, 5 or 6 cents, sometimes 10 cents below. And every once in a while, they'll dump a bunch of shares and boom, drops down, and boom, I got them. Then it goes on up and then drops and boom, I got those. And after a while, I got 1,000 or 2,000 shares and it's all the way up here. Boom, I started unloading them. I've been doing it a long time, folks. I know what I'm doing. It's a very safe, low risk way of trading stocks. It's a low risk way of trading stocks. Yep. Whoa. Heavy deja vu. Trippy. Oh, man. I had that yesterday. I had a really wild deja vu event yesterday on a stock. And I felt like, man, I dreamt this. The same thing was happening that I was telling you. I was watching it and I thought, I've been here. We've done this. I was telling you yesterday, it was the strangest thing on SIDU. I just had a feeling. I just felt like I'd already done it all. Exactly what was happening. I even could tell you what was going to happen. It was bizarre. Slim Jim, good morning. Welcome. Yep. Jepper, good morning. Welcome to the tank. Whoa, heavy deja vu. Trippy. Yeah. Fantastic. Cindy Perez says, what do you think of the IPO EQPT? I never buy IPOs. I stay away from them. Let the dust settle. Uncertainty. Too much uncertainty with IPOs, people. Too much. Don't go there. Don't even think about it. Don't buy IPOs, people. That's a certain way to lose a lot of money, okay? Good morning. SIU is the most herky-jerky stock ever to exist. I agree, and we're going to make a lot of money off of that. Casino Baby Shark wants to know, how is Sweetie Petey? Doing great this morning. What stocks are you looking over? We've got several called out this morning. We've got KULR. Someone just said EQPT. Someone said there's been several called out. BFLY. I haven't looked at any of these yet, but I will be taking a look at this. Someone said RILY, BBAI, heavily manipulated. Yes, it is. And I tell people that all the time. That's one thing about it. AUID has some momentum, called out by 28 Trader. AUID. 28 Traders also calling out. SPHL has been exciting this morning. SPHL. I haven't looked at a single one of these stocks because I'm just trying to catch up with everybody in the chat. It's insane. We're getting 4,000 chats a day, 5,000 chat. I can't keep up with it. All right. Yep. Got in at 13.13. Reckless did. Risk management. No, I did not. Yep. Must have been dropping my daughter off. LOL. Nope. It did not come over as a bull. Yeah, I know. You said that you bring the cold down south with y'all. It's supposed to snow in Louisiana by the end of the week. I told you. We're bringing the cold. We are the cold. We are the manufacturers of cold. Yeah, I told you. We're bringing the cold. Get ready. It's snowing here in Tennessee. We got here and it was 48 degrees this last night late. Snow falling. Not a lot, but I saw some snowflakes. Somebody tried to tell me, no, SIDU I sold this morning at $4.30. The high this morning, $4.30. All right. Yep. Someone said that's wild, Cat. Yeah, I know. We got here 48 degrees last night, snow flurries. And I said, man, it's snowing. And people said, oh, man, that's not snow. I says, well, listen, I happen to live in Michigan. I know what snow looks like. I'm very familiar with what snow looks like. And that's freaking snow out there. It was just very light little flakes, falling. And I don't expect any accumulation because the ground is, 45, 50 degrees, the ground here, not like Michigan. All right. Let's see. TSM reported record profits.
Didn't I plug my watch in somewhere over there?
Yeah. Or no. You just got this. Yeah, this thing.
Yeah, it's plugged in, right?
Yeah, it's plugged in.
Yeah, I just want my watch in the.
All right, so I'm unplugging this now.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I can put it in.
So let me just get down here. Good morning, Ed Mato. Welcome. Just making sure to bring the coal back with y'all when y'all go home. All right, we'll do that.
No,
I'll buy some First Majestic shares today, silver and gold. Guy, he has 26 years of experience. He's the big cat. Thank you, Casino Baby Shark. I appreciate that. I do have a bit of knowledge that we've been able to use to make some pretty good money, have we not? Most of the people on here are doing very well. And let me just move this over here so it's a little bit more. There we go. So let's go look. TSM reported record profits. AI should be also jump. Okay. Cindy says Orlando 25 tomorrow. 25 tomorrow morning. Cindy, are you sure about that?
Yeah, because I think I read that too.
Are you kidding me? Yes, I have Fidelity. I have a lot of money in that account in Fidelity.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready for what?
I'm ready.
Ready to leave?
I'm ready to do whatever.
Cheryl says she's ready to do whatever right now. So you guys, I'll catch you later. Check, please. Wow. Hey guys, it's been fun. I'll see you guys when I get down to Orlando. I'm not going to be streaming on the highway today. You're going to have to fend for yourselves. All right?
Well, you gave them some pics, right?
Cheryl says 28 degrees in Nobleton, Florida. I told you we were coming. We're bringing the freeze.
There's another Cheryl?
Yeah, Cheryl.
You're talking to me every time you said that.
No, Cheryl. Somebody. Cheryl. Where's Cheryl's name? Cheryl Webster. Yep. Traveling Traders. Well, today we're not going to be the Traveling Traders. We're not going to stream on the car. I just had it with that yesterday. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to take a day off today. We're going to drive along and we're going to stop and sell the roses.
Yeah,
okay?
I kind of want to go.
Yes.
I don't want to be in a rush.
Yep. Safe travels. Thank you. Live stream on, but video off so we can talk amongst ourselves. Well, I could do that. Yeah. I could just leave the live stream on and you guys could talk. Please leave the stream open. All right. I'll leave the stream open. I think that's a good idea. You guys can have a great time.
Just not shutting your phone off?
No, yeah, it just means don't end the stream. Okay. So guys.
It ends on its own because of the internet.
Well, see, yeah, that's another thing. If we're driving down the freeway though, and we get into those spots where we lose switch from tower to tower, it's going to disconnect the stream. So I'll leave it on as long as I can, but it may get disconnected. If we go travel between towers. So nothing I can do about that.
Check it every now and then, but that's about it.
A Fine's Worth Keeping says they could get your channel canceled. What do you mean by that? Who's they and why? That is risky if we get a troll. Oh no, we got plenty of moderators on here that will take care of any trolls. Yeah, we're not worried about that. I got plenty of people. Cat, you and from dark to light. Thank you very much for you. James Jones says, good for you. Yeah, thank you. Sounds good. We'll see what happens. Okay. Yep, we can usually talk while the screen is loading unless it's completely disconnects. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Safe travels. You guys have fun and spend quality cat time. Yes, we will. The chat will stay open, though. Yes, I'm going to leave the stone up. I love trolls, says the human spider. I love trolls. Man, I like your hair like Chuck Norris. All right. Yes. Whoo, ha, whoo, ha. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Gary says, I eat trolls. Yes. Yes, we need your channel, says Fines Worth Keeping. Verizon has its issues sorted, so hopefully that helps the feed. Okay, good, good, good. TC Cat and Sweetie Petey, yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Just John, thank you very much, John. Fines Worth Keeping, thank you. Catfish's voice is in the back of my head the whole time trading. That's funny. You guys, the temperature swings 5 to 10 degrees every direction. He's still got it, LOL. Safe travels if you count the white lines on the highway. Should be 26 per quarter mile equals 104 per mile.
That sounds boring.
Wow, Mr. Spiker Bud. We'll try and keep track. That's good to know. Listen, at the rate of speed I'm going to be traveling, there won't be any stripes, okay? It's just a solid line. Okay? Hey, from dark to light, you just had your message deleted. I don't know what you've been saying that got him pissed off at you, but you got to watch what you say. Tap the Telegram. General chat is locked from some of us able to chat. The Telegram general chat is locked from some of us able to chat. I haven't done anything to Telegram. I don't know anybody that could lock it but me, so I don't know what's going on there. Tap the Telegram general chat is locked. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't lock it, I don't think. I'll look into it after we get, well, let's just go. No, I'll look into it after and when I get a chance here, all right? Is your foot heavier than Mrs. Cat? Yes, it is. Careful on I-95. I will be. I know, man, there's many state troopers in Florida. State troopers, county police, they're everywhere. The state is covered with cops. I know this already. I lived there for many years. So I'll be very careful about them. And, yep, have a great time. Don't worry about us. Oh, shit, stay safe, Spider. I was going to send a video of what happened this morning. We got bombed on it, and it's on video right down my street. Oh, my gosh. Dude, we are praying for you. We are praying for you. We are praying for you. Okay. Thanks for letting me know, the human spider, about Telegram. I think it's locked for everyone but administrators. From dark to light, keep it cordial. Yes. Yes, keep it cordial. Kat, you have a long way to go. No, 9 hours. Just 9 hours. Yep. Okay, I'm trying to catch everybody here. BMNR. Go have a look at that, folks. BMNR. Don't travel with the seaweed. Gotcha. It was a hell of a way to wake up, LOL. I bet it was, human spider. Good morning, Cat. That's odd. I can send messages. Okay, from the tank, I mean. Okay. All right, everybody, listen. I want to thank you for being here with me this morning. I'm going to hit the road. I wish you all the best of luck if you're going to stay trading today.
Good morning.
Hey, man, what's going on?
Hey, good calls yesterday.
Oh, yeah, man. I told you all the way up, and I'm glad you sold those, and congratulations. I'm selling right now another account that you're familiar with, and I am got out at $4.30 a share this morning. And so someone you know closely probably will be very pleased about that. And so anyway, I'm going to get my way on the highway. We're getting ready to leave right now. I'm telling everybody on the channel I will not be streaming today. And so we'll catch y'all later, everybody. And we got to get on the highway, and we're going to go see this gentleman talking to me right now, Dave. And one of my lifelong friends. We've known each other for decades. And we're buddies. We're brothers is what we are. And so anything exciting you want to share with us?
Well, Catfish, as always, every time you come down here, you're bringing the cold weather with you. So we're talking close to freezing tonight in Florida. So
yes,
direct from Michigan to Florida.
Yep.
Thank you, Ty and Cheryl.
Yes. We always bring winter. We always bring winter. Everybody was talking about that on the channel already. I told everybody about that yesterday. No matter where we go, we bring winter with us. We bring winter with us.
Well, perfect bonfire weather. So looking forward to seeing y'all.
All right, man.
Safe.
All right, we love you now.
You too, brother.
Yep. Talk to you
Bye,
later.
Cheryl.
Bye.
Bye. Pardon me. All right, guys. You're going to have to fend for yourselves today. There's 132 of you here. And before I leave, can you do me a favor? It's 8:16. Can you hit the like button, everyone? 8:16 and 48 seconds. Can you guys hit the like button, please? I'd appreciate it very much. Let's just hit that like button right now. Come on, and get some likes on here, and then I'm going to get on out of here. I've got my sell orders in on this SIDU all the way up right now to $4.54, and I will try to maybe find a place like a McDonald's or something around lunchtime and try to come in and see if you guys are still here, if we're still streaming. And all right. Yep. So everybody, let's just get over here and just say goodbye and make sure I get everything. You guys look up through the chat because there's a lot of stocks that have been called out. TSSI buyback in price, bought at 856. Got it. Ms. Law says I was the third thumb. What exit number in SIDU? Here's where I have my cells on SIDU right now. I'll show you where I have all the cells. I don't have an exit number. The same way I don't have an entry number. I don't have one entry number. I enter it small amounts at every different number as it's rising. So when it's selling, I do the same thing. So here you go. I've already sold this morning. I've sold several shares, 50 at a time. And what I sold was I sold 412, 413, 419, 420, 422, 430. Okay, it stopped at 430. Folks, I always tell you, these are on my buy sell sheet. Sell the 430, folks. And then I've got 431, 33, 431, 32, 33, 437, 438. For sure, you want to sell 438, people. Make sure you have an order at 438. All right, 443, 444, 449, 454. And I don't have a 440. Yeah, I do have 43. 454 and 450. Now that's where I stop. 454 is as high as I'm going today, okay? For now, okay? I don't know how much. It might even go sheet, okay? All right, guys. So I'm done now. I hope you guys have a great one. I'm going to talk to you soon. I'll leave the stream up and running, and you guys have fun. And I wish you all the best in the world. Thank you. We will drive safely. I appreciate it. So I remember being here when SoFi was $4. Epic run. That's right, Midwest. Epic run. All right. Okay, guys. The stream is going to keep running. I guess I can just, I might even be able to swipe up and leave it, and it will still be on. I don't know, though. We'll just, yep, Midwest Cannabis, peace out. Maxim Mendoz, we'll see you. Thank you for the love. Appreciate it, everyone. And thank you for hitting that like button. 64 likes this morning. Okay, we'll try to talk to you guys sometime around noon, maybe 1 o'clock, maybe 2. And then we'll check in right before the market closes, like 3:45. All right, we're just going to check in with you guys. All right. Yeah, be safe. All right, we will. Thank you, T. Good. Thank you, Jay Hawk. Thank you very much. Thanks for all the love. And guys, I'm not going to end the stream. You guys can just keep at it. But I am going to swipe up here, and hopefully it will keep going. Let's do a little test and see if it'll keep going if I don't keep the screen open, because I don't really want to keep it open. So let me try to swipe up here and see if you guys stay on here. I'm going to test for 1 minute. 1 minute. If the stream ends, I'll just come on around noon or 1, okay? All right, let's see what happens here. Looks like it's still working. Yes, that was a test. We did it. Looks like it's still working. Yes, that was a test. We did a test, a 1 minute test. So let me put here in the chat here, just hold on a second here. I'm going to type in here, I am leaving the stream. Let's see, I am not live streaming. Okay. I'm not live streaming all day today. Well, I'm not going to stay on. I should say that. I will be live streaming, but not here. Live streaming, but only for cats to talk to each other today. All right, that's what I'm going to put. Good luck. I'll check in around 1 p.m. and at closing. All right, and then we're going to pin this message. All right, and we're going to pin that message so everyone will see that I'm live streaming today, but only for others to keep talking to each other. Good luck. I'll check in around 1 p.m. and at closing. All right, so there it is. And what's a good buy-in for SIDU right now? I've got my buy orders in at 388, 392, 393, 397, 98, 99, and 4. Okay, that's where I've got my buy-ins. As low as, even I put some even as low as 366, 372, 373. Means we talk too much. All right, guys, listen, I'm going to get on out of here now. You guys have a great day. God bless each and every one of you. Have an awesome day. Thank you, Brian Taylor. And I did not get a chance to look at your video yet, Brian, but I'm going to this evening, okay? All right, everybody. Have a great one. And thank you for all that hard work, Brian. I know you put a lot of it into this. And, folks, I want you to know that we are going to be, what?
I'm running to the car.
Oh, okay. Okay. Brian Taylor's got something big and powerful coming from us, a nice killer trading tool. So you guys be ready, all right? Brian's got something coming down the pipe, and you're going to be seeing it. I'm going to introduce it to all the members on the tank. Yep. All right, guys. And I wish you well. I hope you have a great evening, a great day, a great evening. And we're going to take one look at here at SIDU right now. And it bounced off of 412, 411 up to 415 and starting to go on up. I wish you all luck today, all right? I wish I could stay with you, but I'm not going to be able to. Yep, I'm going to get on out of here, everybody. You guys have a good one. Have a good time. And I'm on out of here. Catfish Tyler. Love you all. Thank you very much for sharing your time with me. God bless each and every one of you. And out of the votes that I did on the poll, 13% said yes, they did buy ROLR yesterday and sell it. Wow. Hey, and I don't have Alexa here, but 100 times 13 would be 13. So 50, so we had about 20 people that made a great amount of money on ROLR yesterday. All right, guys, I'm going to get on out of here now. You guys have a great one. I hope the stream stays on so you guys can all communicate, but I got to go now. I'm out of here, folks, and I'm on the highway. I'm headed to Florida, and I'm not going to be streaming except coming in at around 1 o'clock and at the end of the day, okay? We'll catch you.